Frick! You are us. Now this, you're gonna get shot one day, really. You will be shot. And this will be a record, this will be a documentation as to why you were shot. This will go into court. This will be pregnant in their court. You think it's funny, you'd be lying there dead with a bullet, you'd be wounded, bleeding, probably quadriplegic with a wheelchair. And that's my defense right there.